AI isn't just coming for your job. It may already be doing it, faster, cheaper, and without coffee breaks. From banks to burger joints, companies are quietly replacing humans with lines of code. And the scariest part? Most people don't even know it's happening. So let's break it down. These are the jobs AI is replacing in 2025 and how you can stay ahead. Let's go. First off, this isn't sci-fi anymore. AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and AutoGPT are being used every day in real workplaces. Writers use them, designers use them, coders use them, and yeah, your boss might be using them to replace you. Goldman Sachs says up to 300 million jobs could be affected by AI. And not in 2040, we're talking within the next few years. 2025 is the tipping point. Let's look at the jobs already being hit. 1. Customer service. Voice bots can now handle over 80% of support calls. Companies like Klarna have already laid off huge teams after switching to AI. Tools like Harvey AI can draft contracts and search legal cases faster than any intern. Graphic designers. With Midjourney and DALL-E, you can create decent visuals in seconds. Basic design gigs are already drying up. Admin and data entry, scheduling, form filling, reporting, AI eats that alive. IBM and Meta have already cut thousands of admin jobs. Retail and fast food. McDonald's is testing AI-powered drive-thrus. Amazon stores have no cashiers. Robotic kitchens not far behind. By the way, if you're finding this helpful so far, hit the like button and subscribe. It helps the algorithm, and it tells me to keep making these breakdowns for you. All right, back to it. So, why is this all happening so fast? Because AI doesn't sleep, it doesn't get sick, it doesn't complain, and it doesn't ask for a raise. For businesses, it's the perfect employee, and with every update, AI gets smarter, faster, and cheaper, making more roles obsolete. So, which jobs are most at risk in 2025? High-risk jobs marked in red include customer support, content writing, junior programming, and bookkeeping. Medium-risk jobs marked in orange include marketing, sales reps, HR recruiters, and finance analysts. Let's talk about low-risk jobs. These are roles where the risk of automation is, well, relatively low. Think about therapists, electricians, nurses, teachers, and creative strategists. These professions require a human touch, creativity, and complex problem-solving skills, making them less likely to be replaced by AI. If your job is digital, repetitive, and predictable, it's time to plan ahead. You really need to think about how AI might impact your role and what steps you can take to stay relevant in the changing job market. But you're not powerless. There are strategies and steps you can take to stay ahead of AI and ensure your skills remain in demand. Learn to use AI. Make it your assistant, not your replacement. Build human skills, creativity, empathy, storytelling, leadership, stuff machines still suck at. Focus on human-first industries, healthcare, skilled trades, education. AI can't replace hands-on care or emotional intelligence. Stay adaptable. The people who fall behind aren't always unskilled. They're just unwilling to change. So yeah, AI is changing everything, but that doesn't mean you have to get left behind. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, subscribe now and check the description for tools and resources to help future-proof your career. I'll see you in the next one, unless a robot beats me to it.